1, 2, 3, 4, counting every day. I'm stuck in here, so it help me get away. 8, 6, 7, 8, time is just a hoax. On the characters are family jokes. You must think that you're dreaming. Just tell me what you're scheming. You look like you see a ghost, but you're lucky to have such a gracious host like me. I'm scared to lose myself here, but there is nothing to fear. I can't take this anymore. Is that an exit door? Your imagination, you have your own fixation. Door after door you find out it is just a digital hallucination. You try to find your way out, but you're stuck here day after day inside a digital hallucination. A, B, C, D, I don't know my name. Tell me if I'm dead or if I'm just going insane. X, C, D, see the writing on the wall. The vowels and the consonants, they save us all. You must think that you're dreaming. It'll be okay, believe me. You look like you see a ghost. You're lucky to have what's left of your sanity. And some might call it tragic. Circus lost its magic. Can't take this anymore. It's not an exit door. Just your imagination. You have your own dictation. Door after door you find out it is just a digital hallucination. You try to find your way out, but you're stuck here day after day inside a digital hallucination. This isn't a machination. I have my own fixation. Door after door I find out it is just a digital hallucination. I try to find my way out, but I'm stuck here day after day inside this digital hallucination. Your imagination, you have your own dictation. Door after door you find out it is just a digital hallucination. You try to find a way out, but you're stuck here day after day inside a digital hallucination. Get me out of here. Reddit to get the sneeze. I have to get some of the credit too, because this is my turn.